Hi everyone. Today we are going to understand the meaning or concept of selection, and further we are also going to discuss its process in detail. Now let us first understand the basic meaning of selection. See, we all know that in an organization sometimes a position or many positions are vacant, okay? So it becomes important or inevitable, we can say, to hire people, okay? So what is selection? Selection is basically the process of choosing the right people or the suitable candidates for the vacant position, okay? So through the process of selection, the organization basically provides the offer letter or the appointment letter to the selected candidates. Okay, so basically, selection is different from recruitment because recruitment is just, remember, it is just attracting, okay, the suitable candidate. We can attract others how? Through tie up with various consultancies, okay? They can show, we can go to these consultancies to know about the job, okay? Then we can tie up with various colleges and institutes. Then we can show ads on TV media and all, what not, okay? Print media and all. Now, when we talk about selection is basically the process of selecting, okay, the people for the organization. It includes various tests, okay, then interview and all, okay. So now let us discuss the process of selection in detail. So the first step is preliminary interview. See, preliminary interview is basically the interview which is taken to know about the journal background of the candidate. Okay, the basically qualifications, the communication skills of the person, etc. are checked over here, and then it is further decided whether to give them the applications to fill, okay, or not. So the next step is receiving applications. What happens over here is after the interview, preliminary interview, the candidates who are selected are asked to fill an application form, okay, wherein they have to write about their background, that is their experience, okay, their qualification and hobbies and all. They have to fill that application form. After they are done with the application form, it is the screening of the applications that take place. What happens over here? Here the screening committee basically screens the applications which are relevant, okay, which are fulfilling their organization's need, okay. Then the appropriate candidates are called for the further round, okay. Now this round is all about employment test basically judge an individual's whether aptitude is all about, see, we all have to do a particular kind of work in an organization, and it is very important, okay, that we have aptitude, okay, or a liking for that work. We should have a skill for that work. So basically the organizations judge the aptitude of the employee, whether this person would be able to do this work or not, okay. It is important, right? So this is judged through aptitude test. Then there is IQ level test, okay, and many more tests which we are going to discuss, okay, in detail in the later video. If the candidate, then after this the candidate is basically called for interview, okay. Now interview is basically all about taking or asking the candidate various questions related to his or her his or her background, okay. It can test his or her knowledge or many things related to the job, what his experiences and all is being asked about, okay. It is being analyzed by the interviewers. Then the next one is medical examination. Very right. See, medical examination is basically taken to know, confirm that the organization, that the person is medically fit, physically fit or not. Okay. You obviously, an organization does not want to take burden for the person who is not fit. Okay, because an organization will have to spend a lot on a unfit person, right? Then comes is the reference check and final selection. See, what happens in reference check is that the background of the person is checked, everything like his family, his culture and his background and all, basically related to his family and all, is basically verified, and then they are handed the appointment letter. Okay, finally the person is selected, right? So what did we understand today? We basically talked about the meaning of selection, right? Selection is basically choosing, okay, or selecting the right individuals, okay, for the job, for the vacant positions, right? Then we further talked about the process of selection, the first stages of preliminary interview, wherein the person is interviewed to check his or her basic qualifications, then certain skills, okay, related to the job, and then communication skills and all. Then after this, the applications are filled. Those candidates who are selected, applications are filled by them regarding their experience and hobbies and all. And after this, the screening committee screens the application and further selects the suitable candidates for the employment tests. Now see, I talked about the aptitude test. The other one is the IQ test, okay, intelligent quotient. Basically, in this, what happens is that your decision making power and also your retention power, okay, and your learning abilities checked. See, a person, how fast a person can learn a thing, okay, then also how much that person remembers that thing, okay, and finally how adequately and efficiently that person is able to apply that gained knowledge in a difficult situation, okay, in a challenging situation is also important, right? So we are going to discuss various types of tests in detail in a later videos, okay. Now the other one is employment interview, and employment interview is basically all about taking the interview finally of the person who are selected, okay, in the employment test. After taking the interview, they are sent for the medical examination, and it is basically checked whether they are physically fit or not. Right? Then finally they are selected and off, given an appointment letter. Right? So now let us discuss some important questions regarding this. The first one is selection is the process of a making candidate aware of the job. Okay. See, making candidate aware of the job. We learned that recruitment tells us that we have to make candidate aware of the job, that there is some vacancy in certain so and so organization, right? It is recruitment. Then choosing sources of recruitment, which is part of recruitment, okay. Then choosing appropriate candidates for the job, appropriate candidates for the job, very right, because selection is basically choosing people finally through interview and all, okay. So the correct answer for this would be selection, okay. Giving social security to the employee basically means that you are giving them various health insurances and also that they are protected, like life insurance, okay, your accidental insurance, health insurance and all these type of social security schemes, we can say, okay. It includes gratuity and all also. The next question is, at what stage of selection the candidate goes through background check? See, screening of applications, B, medical exam, C, reference check, D, employment test. See, we learned that if an organization performs background check on an employee, it is basically in the reference check round. Okay, so the correct answer for this would be the reference check. Okay, so this was all for today. Thank you so much for your time.